What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. Now, before we get started, if you're watching this video, chances are you're not subscribed, because 99% of you are not subscribed, and that's a pretty bad number. So if you like this one, be sure to click on that sub or thanks button below. All right, so we've got another one here. Let's see what we received. Let's open it up on this side, and right down the middle. Ooh, nobody is going to be getting into my house. Look at this. Outdoor Wi-Fi security solar battery camera with smart AI event detection. So we've seen these types of devices before us. In fact, you can see there's some up there as well. I can't point on camera, but we love home security on this channel and in this household. And this is a new outdoor Wi-Fi solar battery powered camera with smart AI event detection. Essentially, you've got a solar panel here, which charges not only the camera, but it charges a battery inside the camera so that during the nighttime, it can still run even when no sun is hitting it. So essentially, no wires go into your wall. Nothing has to be installed outside of just this device on the wall, and it will constantly recharge itself and keep recording, which is super, super useful. Let's go ahead and open this up, and on this side we can see that it can actually use AI analysis in the app to detect packages, vehicles, pets, or people. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So we have our user manual here. We've got our solar panel, which does have standard mounting hardware in the back, so you can use what they include or your own mounting hardware, standard tripod style mount. And on this side we have a USB-C, so this solar panel is actually charging to a USB-C port, which is pretty interesting. Now we've got mounting hardware. This is for the solar panel, so you'll mount the solar panel on this and then kind of adjust it and point it towards the direction of the sun. And then we have the mounting hardware for the camera itself. We're also given the appropriate screws and mounting hardware here and a USB-C charger. Now let's look at the fun part. So this is the camera itself. So let's go ahead and do the unveil. Ooh, and let's remove that right there and put these antennas up. So basically, this is a security camera that goes in a full 360 degrees, can turn all the way around, look up, down, in all directions, and you can view it remotely on your phone. Now, there's different ways of storage, so we can actually open this up here, and you'll notice that along with the program and power buttons here, there is a micro SD card slot, so you can actually store all of your video data onto the micro SD card, and that will work just fine, and you can access it on your phone and download those and even clear the SD card without ever having to access the device. You can also get cloud storage, so that if anybody tries to take the actual camera off your wall and you haven't had a chance to download the video on your phone yet, it'll actually upload it to the cloud. Stores it for like a month, I think. It does cost extra for that, but it stores it for a month. That way, even if someone were to walk up and grab it and yank it off, you would still have that video of exactly what happened. Super, super useful. But yeah, that's it for this one. Thank you so much to all the sponsors, and thank you so much for watching. We'll have some more in-depth videos, unboxings on this channel, and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one. Those unboxings on this channel and reviews on the new Tech Savvy Reviews channel. So I'll see you there. Have a good one.